Good day, David here from Electrical Solutions. Today, I'm going to talk about some seal tight. Not liquid tight, but seal tight. This is seal tight. This is a seal tight connector. Okay, we'll take that apart in a minute. This is seal tight. It's got flex on the inside. It's got a ground in it. It's good for wet locations. Don't think you're supposed to bury it, even though I see people do it. So you want a clean edge. That's where we're going to start with, a clean edge. Bam. Seal tight, clean edge. I like it. Okay, so now we take this apart. All right, so there you go. This part will connect to the box. Okay, bam. So there's a trick, you always got to get it the right order. This one first, this next, this here. This is the smooth edge. You don't need to sand this edge. It's all good. Look at this. Bam, look at that. It's a smooth wire protector. Goes right over it. You can get this thing nice and hand tight, and that's probably good enough. But we're connecting grounds here, so let's see if I can tighten it up just a little bit more. Okay, well. Yeah, my video on today is what it is. So use these, get it just a little bit tighter. Okay, there. So, boom, this fits like that. So then the trickiest part is if you got it all lined up right and you got all these pieces in order and in the right place, this will fit in here, this will fit here, and you won't have trouble starting the first threads if things are lined up right. So it's really tricky to get it lined up right. I like to spin it backwards until it clicks into place and then turn it forward. And you want smooth threads going for a while. You want that to be smooth. And then it tightens up. If it tightens up right away, you're probably cross-threaded. So you can tighten it up with both hands as much as you can. Then you want to get some channel locks here and some channel locks here. Boom and boom. So to give it the extra tightness. Then you're solid on here. Now this is the ground. This is the ground carrying through. I still put a ground in there, a ground wire with what's going in here. So that connects to the box. This stays on the outside. This is actually going to go into the generator. And then this locks it in place. Hit that with a screwdriver and a hammer, boom, to lock it in to really give it that solid ground. It's good to have your grounded casing. Seal tight. Have fun. Thanks. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe. You want more of these electrical videos? Let's do it. Idiot out.